Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today, we're going to talk about what will it take, Bitcoin to actually turn bullish. All right. We have to talk about, when or what's going to spark that bull run. Okay. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Because I am a professional day trader. Okay, I day trade Monday through Friday, the financial markets, and also swing trade crypto. So if you want to learn about how to make money strictly from the charts, and you don't want to stress yourself out with reading the news or listen to your stupid favorite YouTuber telling you, hey man, we're gonna moon up tomorrow, and the market is going down every single month or day. If you're tired of that, definitely hit that subscribe button. Over here, I basically give you guys the facts. Okay, the facts are the numbers. The numbers are the chart. Is the chart. So let's get the party started. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. All right, this is entertainment only. Okay, so if you're watching that replay, you can speed up by 1.5 or 2. So let's pop out this chat. I don't know how many people is going to show up. Right now it's 3 o'clock p.m. So I usually don't do live streams around this time, but sometimes I do, just to get the other guys that's in different countries a chance to hear me live, because I understand the time zones are different. So let's go to this. Let's go to this coin market cap real quick, and then we will go to the chat room. Okay. Right now, Bitcoin Diamond is at 53.5. All right. Market cap still not really going anywhere. 113. Okay. And overall percentage wise, still nothing, guys. All right. The market is still in this sluggish mode, and usually when the Bitcoin market is like this, guess what? We're going to have a big move coming up soon. So just prepare yourself. But they are defending that $100 billion mark. Okay. I believe even if we continue to go down, this $100 billion mark is going to be hard to break unless they decide to break it, with force. But for the most part, it might go below that $100 billion mark and bounce right back up. So I think they're going to play with that maybe a little bit, and then from there we will see if they're going to continue to go lower. Because the way I'm looking at it, guys, if we go below $100 billion, it's letting the big dogs. It's almost like sending a signal to the big dogs, like, I don't know, should I be in this market, or should I keep on, should I hold my my coins? I don't know, man. So I think it's going to be very interesting when Bitcoin, or if Bitcoin goes below that $100 billion mark. So let's go to the chart real quick. Nothing is really going on in the chart since yesterday. We basically still in this channel right here. Okay, we are waiting for some type of breakout, either to the upside, to the downside. I'm waiting for a downside breakout, because overall the market is just weak. So I'm just waiting for that downside break. It's a possibility they might go up one more time, but right now I'm leaning towards the downside, because these guys are pretty much right here at that 32 level. Okay, at 3200 level, and we will see what's going to happen if we hit that level. Okay, most likely the way I'm looking at it is they can probably bounce from that 32 level. Okay, a couple of things they can do. All right, it's a possibility they can go back to this 32 level, right? Bounce off it and come right back, right? Just to go back to the breakout, just to go right back down. Okay, so if they go back to the 3200 level, it doesn't make any sense for them not to go all the way back to the low, because you know, that's the in my opinion the major stop. Okay, I'm quite sure a lot of people have their stop losses below this 3,100 level, or even 3,000, because some people do believe, you know, let's be honest, some people really believe that this is the bottom. Okay, I see it already. The bottom is in. So I'm quite sure a lot of people have their stop loss underneath this 31 or 3,000 level. So the way it looks like yes, they will go down and stop those guys out. All right. So that's what I'm looking at right now. There's really nothing going on in the crypto market. If you guys have any questions, you can definitely type it in. But nothing going on. We just have to wait for that big break. The more they consolidate, the bigger move it could be. So, you know, it's a strong possibility they don't even have to go to 3,200 and stop there. Okay, it's a strong possibility we can just break this and continue to go down much further. You know, maybe to 2,800, 2,700. Only reason why I'm saying that is because we've been literally chopping around, not chopping around, but going down slowly. Okay, and this actually could be a big break to the downside. So just keep that in mind too. All right, so let's go to the guys' questions. We can look at some more charts. Honestly, there's really no reason to look at any more charts. Litecoin looks like it's trying to go up one more time. Okay, let's see if it can actually go up one more time. Ethereum looks like what Ethereum looks like. Ethereum looks like trying to go down. TRX. I mean, honestly, I don't really need to look at a lot of these charts right now. TRX looks like it's consolidating at this level. Looks kind of weak. Sellers coming in. What else? XRP. I didn't check that out today. Yeah, XRP just staying at this, you know, this triangle, the bottom of this triangle. So we just had to wait. All right, so let's go to these questions, you know, and then we go from there, guys. All right. What's going on, Mike? All right, John Gura. Who else? Sean, Keith. What's going on, Abundant Sky? All right, Lord of the Boards, Altcoin Owl. Dan, what's going on, guys? All right, so if you guys have any questions, type it in. Type it in. What's going on, Paul? Kirky, what's going on? Eric, what's going on? David, what's going on? Shout out to everybody that's here, that's coming in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. If you're down 80% or more, hit that subscribe button. You know, because I really don't want you guys to continue to suffer. All right. We talked about this yesterday. The guys that's going to really make money in this bear market, you know, all the guys that's going to take action and learn how the market works. Honestly, I truly believe the people that are going to learn how the market truly works, those are the guys that's going to get rewarded. Okay, because number one, once you build up your skills in the bear market, you can make so much money in the bull market. Okay, and that's the name of the game. If you can make money in the bear market, you can make, like, honestly, so much money in the bull market, right? Because right now, what's going on, especially right now in the S&P 500, all right, that's what I'm pretty much trading right now. I usually go back and forth with the S&P and the crude oil, but you know, if you see this, these guys, okay, are literally just going up. I mean, this is honestly, this is so easy. Okay, since last week, actually since this push up, guys. All right, let me see when it started in after Christmas. So since this up move all day. Okay, when I day trade, all I do is buy. You know, just buy. Okay. So if you know how to make money in the bear market, bro, you know the bull market is honestly is much easier. It's not actually much easier, but it's especially if you're a guy that hodls. Okay, you're gonna make 10 times more because you're hodling, plus you know how to get in and out of the market. But right now, if you look at this is absolutely nuts. This is just a short squeeze, and most likely these guys will continue to go up to the top of this range right here. That's what it looks like. It looks like they want to go back up to the top of the range. So you know, don't fight the trend. That's the name of the game. Don't fight the trend. And that's the same thing with cryptocurrencies right now. The trend is to the downside. Do not fight the trend. You can make money to the downside, okay? And if you want to buy or, you know, take advantage of the bull run, just wait until the market turn bullish. It's just really that simple, okay? Most of you guys try to complicate things and try to be that I don't know, that genius trying to time the bottom and talking about every week this is the bottom, bro. I'm telling you right now, that's not how it works. You don't have to be a genius. You just have to be disciplined. Forget about your beliefs. Have a strategy. Okay, you follow your strategy, and that's it. Most of you guys are trying to be that guy that's trying to call the bottom, and it doesn't work like that. Follow the trend, and you will make consistent money. It's just just how it works. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me see if I see anything now. Double bottom. What happened when we hit? You said, are you asking me it's going to be a double bottom? I'm not too sure, but shout out to you. Let me see here. I don't know if I gave you guys a round of applause. Let me see. Did I give you guys a round of applause? If not, shout out to everybody that's here. What's going on, New Money? All right, listening at work. That's what's up. Glenn, what's going on? Glenn, where have you been, Glenn? You said, can you look at the? I just looked at the S&P 500. Farah said, with back coming mid-March, I predict a bull one, just my opinion. So let me ask you a question, all right? You said that back is coming in mid-March, okay? So let me ask you this. This is, you know, how do you know back is coming mid-March? They said they was coming in December, I believe. They said they was coming in January. So how do you know they coming in mid-March? Okay. And let's say they do decide to come in mid-March. Why, okay, why do you think that we will just have a bull run when they come in? Crypto Noob said, we said 1800 coming soon. Shout out to you, bro. Alex, what's going on? You plan on investing into digital assets? Not right now, bro. Not right now. I'm waiting for some type of signs of a bull market, and then I can invest that way. The reason why is because if you really understand how the market works, you just look at this market and you can just tell that this market is a market that is a boom and bust market. All right, it's just too much of going up straight and crashing. It's too much of that. Okay, just go back in the past. You will see multiple up moves where Bitcoin just shoot up like that and just crash right back down. So the reason why I don't even entertain investing right now in the crypto market is because I understand these boom and bust cycles. Okay, and once you can understand the market and understand how to read it, you're gonna know, hey man, like last year, for example, I didn't get caught up in the hype and holding on to my coins. I was taking profits along the way. Okay, so once you understand how to read the market, you would know how to play it and not let the market take advantage of you, because that's what most investors and rookie investors, they let the market take advantage of them. All right, and this is what I'm trying to do. I think this is one of the things that the reason why I'm here on YouTube is to show new investors, hey man, the market doesn't have to take advantage of you. You can actually take advantage of the market, or not even taking advantage of the market, but ride along with the market. Okay, and you can make money that way. So I don't believe in holding in the bear market, because I truly understand how brutal a bear market is and how it can really go low. And not only just go low, it can actually drag out and be a crazy bear market to the point where you're waiting for a long time. Okay, so that's why I don't invest in the bear market. It's not my style. It's not going to help me pay the bills. So that's why I don't do that. So let's go back to these other questions and let's continue to do it. Continue to answer these questions. So Faris said they have a lot of investors' big pocket. All right, so let me break it down to you. Okay, let me break it down to you, because I know a lot of people are new to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna break it down to you, and I'm gonna break it down to my new subscribers. Okay, forget about the news. Okay, forget about the news. Okay, the news is not on your side. Let me say that again. The news is not on your side. Okay, actually, if you want to hear something crazy, okay, the news is actually there to make you think a certain way. Okay, while the professionals are doing the opposite. So let me say that again, and shout out to all my new subscribers, shout out to all my new investors. The news is set up, okay, on purpose to make you think a certain way. Okay, and once you think that way, the big dogs, right? The guys that have the real money, these guys are doing the opposite. Okay, so stop believing the news. I don't care about the news. This is why I come on here, to help you guys understand the game, because this is a game. Like when I mean this is a game, like these guys are here to trick you. Okay, that's what I mean by a game. Okay, these guys are here to trick you, are here to play with your minds. And if you believe the news, then these guys will take advantage of you. Okay, this is why I'm trying to help you guys understand that the charts will never lie to you. Okay, this is why I'm able to go on my live streams every single week and tell you guys, stop buying the dips. All right, when ever since I've been going live since March, May, okay, people have been laughing at me, but guess what? I've been winning. Okay, and I always have the last laugh because I'm following the facts. I don't make up stuff. Okay, the news, a lot of that stuff is made up. I know some of you guys can't understand it. Some of you guys are new to the space or new to the financial space. A lot of that stuff is made up. It's not true. Okay, so I want you guys to understand, bro. This is a dangerous game, bro. Like a dangerous game. Okay. So I want you to not put your faith into the news or back, because back is nothing right now. Okay. What I want you to do is start to react on what the chart is telling you. Okay, and you're gonna win more than you lose. So let's go back to these questions. Sean said, Ben, props on your course videos. It's like you're talking directly to me. Thanks for opening my eyes and showing me what's up, man. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, Sean. Sean is actually one of my new students. Shout out to him, man. I'm glad that you are enjoying the course. Okay, and honestly, it's to help a lot of people that's lost. All right, in this world, because honestly, when I hear these YouTubers talk, man, I just shake my head, because it's the guys that have 100K subscribers, 60K subscribers. These are the guys that's literally giving you bad advice, bro. Like, they telling you the wrong thing, man. And it's like, the guys that really know what they're talking about, they don't have that many subscribers. But whatever, it is what it is. So let's go back to these questions, and yeah, shout out to Sean. He has my course. If anybody on this live stream do not have my course yet, go get it. If you're one of those guys that rely on the news, okay, if you rely on the news, go get my course. If you don't know how to read a chart, go get my course. If you don't understand why we continue to go down, and why we seeing lower lows almost every single month, check out my course, because it will help you navigate through this bear market. Okay, during the live stream, I give you guys 50% off. I know some of you guys email me and say, hey man, when I went to your link, it was $300. Yes, because the price is $300. Okay, don't get it twisted. The price is $300. The only reason why you see $150 right now is because we on live stream, and that's the only way you get it. Okay, so some of you guys ask me, hey man, how come I'm not seeing $150? Because that's only the live stream discount I give you. You can go down, it'll tell you what's it about. It's about when you enter, when you exit, how to enter, how to exit, when to get out the market, when to stay out the market, how to read a trend, a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, you read my testimonials, check it out. It comes with a Discord room. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's continue with these questions. What's going on, Soundlight? Hey, what's going on, Golden Arm, man? Shout out to you. Where you been, man? You been working? Golden Arm, man. What's up with you, bro? You been working? CNBC indicated 95. I know. Tell me about it. Tell me about it, bro. I've been trading to pullbacks on the way down. Yes. So shout out to you. Okay. Shout out to you. In and out. Okay. So guys, the guys that's really gonna make the money in 2019 are the swing traders. Okay. Because this market looks weak. It looks like it's going to continue to go down. And the guys that swing trade in this market are the guys that's going to, take their account to the next level. And you guys that's sitting and waiting and hoping, your guys is just pretty much going to suffer. Okay, I'm just giving you guys the truth, because right now there's no signs of a bull market at all. Okay. Please stop listening to the news, bro. Please stop listening to these crazy YouTubers that don't do this full time. They show you crazy charts, right? They will show you crazy charts. They will, point to 50K or 100K by 2021 or 2020. Okay, where did these guys get these charts from? Like, it's ridiculous. So learn how to swing trade, or learn just the market period. It will save you money, all right? Or it will save you how to it will show you how to make money during the bear market. And it will make you a better investor, because some of you guys that invest, you really think you don't have to learn how to read a chart. I'm here to tell you, bro, it's going to make you a better investor, especially when that bull market comes. You can make more money just by, because some of you guys think it's just, I buy a coin and that's it. No, bro, you can make way more money if you know how to read the charts. But anyway, so let's go to the question of the day, guys. Let's go to the question of the day. But before I go to the question of the day, let me see if I see any more questions real quick. Get out of Binance. You won't get rich hitting the buy button. Yeah, guys. Get a VPN short on BitMEX. What's going on, JDM? Hey, Ben, any chance redoing your generous course discount today? Yes, I'm what's going on, P Fraser? I just did it right here. So right now what you see is the discount, okay? So let me give you that link, okay? If you don't have that link, here's the link right here, okay? So that's the discount. Like I said, all my course comes with the Discord room. So if you do get my course, email me, okay? So I can give you that Discord. It's a private Discord for my students. You can chat with me, me and my students, all right? So check that out and let me know when you get it, okay? Let me know when you get it. Let's go back to these questions. Let me see right here. Sean said, Ben course is the real deal. Well worth it. Thanks a lot, Sean. I appreciate that comment. Keith, Ben course will be the best investment you make if you really truly want to understand the market. Shout out to you, Keith. Thanks a lot. Golden Arm Crypto Exchange founder died. No one knows the password to the funds. People lost big money for real. Which I think I heard about that. I think I heard about that story. Which crypto exchange was that? But I think I heard about that story. The truth is 80%. Yes. Yep. It's a ruthless game. You're right. Copies, Benjamin Cause, ATM, period. Shout out to you, Paul. My co-worker doesn't like hearing bro so much. Tell him to shut up. You said my co-worker doesn't like hearing bro so much. Tell him to shut up. Shut up, co-worker. Co-worker, shut up. So easy to be tricked by the news because high quality. Yes, okay. So you are 100%, John. Okay, the news is high quality, professional production. So you can and not only that, from the word go, we was brought up to listen to the news. Okay, so we automatically think that the news is trustworthy, right? We believe everything the news say, right? Anything, we look at the news and we believe it because we was brought up that way. Okay, so, please do not believe the news. Are you talking about Bitcoin fund manager? Me? You talking about me? Nah, I'm not really talking about him. I'm just talking about in general. Okay, a lot of these crazy YouTubers having charts pointing to crazy numbers. I'm like, yo, guys, how do you know that's gonna happen? All right. So like I said, how many hours long is your course? I don't know, bro. I never timed it. You can ask one of my students here. Maybe they can tell you. Okay. But honestly, to be honest with you, that's not even a question or to ask, because you have to do whatever it takes, bro, to get to that next level. All right. Even if like, for example, right now I have a course. This course is like 2 to 3 weeks. All right. 2 to 3 weeks. And you can, all depends on how much time you have. You can, of course, you could be done in a week, reviewing the information, but this was a 2 to 3 week class. Okay. And basically, you have to get a certain amount of information, okay, if you want to go to the next level, okay? Some of you guys don't understand that this is not a game, this is a business, okay? Especially with this, like this is the day trading course, okay? So the day trading course, you have to be trained, okay? Because you're doing it daily. So you have to be trained. Just like a doctor is trained, a lawyer is trained, anybody, that's trying to do something and want to see like good results, they have to be trained. So that's what that's about. Don't worry about the hours, bro. Don't worry about the hours. Just worry about the information that you're getting in practice. Okay. This course is not the crypto course is not 2 to 3 weeks. It's actually less than that. You can finish that in a day. Let me see here. All right, so guys, let's go to the question of the day. Okay, the question of the day is what will it take, right? Actually, let me see. It said what will it take for Bitcoin to turn bullish, all right? And my answer is we have to drag a lot of these coins down. Okay, so that simply means, for the most part, the market has to continue to go down. That's why when someone tells me that we are going to moon in 2020 or the middle of 2019, I just shake my head, because they don't really understand what's really going on or what happened. Okay, what happened at the peak of this bubble that we had, okay, was ICOs, right, coming out like crazy. Okay, everybody had a white paper. Everybody had an ICO coming out every single week. So it was the ICO craze. Just like the .com boom craze, guys. If you had a .com at the end of your business, and in the 90s, bro, you was an instant millionaire, straight up. All right. So how did all those .com bubble, businesses, how those guys, all right, pretty much, how did those guys get wiped out during that bear market? Well, the market had to go down and continue to go down a lot to wipe those guys out. All right, and that's what we are having right now. We are having a bear market that's going down, and a lot of these coins that are not worth nothing, a lot of these coins have to go. It's just what it is. Let's be serious, guys. I love cryptocurrencies, okay, but at the same time, why are some of these coins worth, this amount? None of these coins are being used. We only know, honestly, probably the top 10, the top 20. Other than that, why Apollo currency is worth $25 million. Why these other coins are worth $20 million. Some of these coins, guys, we don't even, I can guarantee you none of these coins are being used. So that being said, since we had that ICO craze, a lot of these coins have to continue to go down. That's why we have to continue to see lower prices. the good news is if you learn how to read the chart, bro, you're not going to be depressed. You're not going to say, because this will happen. I'm going to tell you what happened. Okay. This is what happened, guys. Right. Most of your guys got in late. So you probably got in last year. You either bought at the top or almost at the top, and you probably invested a lot of money, more than you probably, should have. So right now you want the market to go up, which I understand. Okay. When a professional comes along and looks at the market and tells you, bro, listen, this is what I see, automatically a lot of you guys think that we are talking negative. I'm not talking negative at all. Okay. I'm actually trying to save you some money. I'm looking at the chart, and the chart doesn't tell me continuation at all right now. Okay. All it tells me is, bro, we need to continue to go down. These cryptos right here. Okay, when I start to see a lot of these cryptos dying out, then I truly can say, we might be close to the bottom. Okay, and nothing is. These guys are still surviving. I don't know. These guys are still surviving. No reason why these coins should be surviving right now. Nobody are using these coins. Okay. And honestly, that's, in my opinion, that's what pretty much what counts. All right. You have to use something. That's why Facebook is so valuable. That's why Amazon is so valuable. Google, these companies, those companies have users using their platform daily. Every single day. Most of you guys have coins and you're not even using those coins. Okay, you're just hoping that the market is just going to shoot up. So so that's the first thing. Okay, what will it take for Bitcoin to turn bullish? The first thing is we got to wipe these coins out. Okay, the second thing is we have to get more people in the market. Okay. And get more people, interested in the cryptocurrencies. So that means more marketing, more, I will say, I probably would say big investors, but I think, in my opinion, okay, because most people think that if BAT comes in the market, we're just going to shoot up. No, I think that, my opinion, I believe that in order to get the big investors, this market has to be regulated, which I don't even want the market to be regulated. Okay, but that's the only way we're gonna get big investors. All right, and that's it. Okay, now the flip side to that is if we get regulated, it's gonna slow everything down. Okay, you have to understand that. Most of you guys don't understand that, so that's why I shake my head when people say, well, if this company comes in or that company comes in. Well, honestly, it's not going to be a lot of big plays in the market if the market is not unregulated. Wall Street doesn't like crazy volatility. Okay, I'm just here to tell you that. They don't like when prices go up 20% in a day and down another 10%. Okay, they like stability. Okay, so if the market becomes regulated, you're gonna see prices stabilize and not really going anywhere, just like regular currency. So you have to understand the process of all this stuff. This is why I try to help you guys say, man, forget about, I know you love some of your coins, but forget about just having one strategy. You have to have multiple strategies, bro. Okay? These other YouTubers can't tell you this, and they will not tell you this because they know that this is going to trigger you. You're going to get pissed off. You're going to get mad. But the only reason why I'm telling you this is because I do this full time. All right? I don't want you guys to, suffer. All right? if you just sit back and wait for the news, bro, you're gonna suffer. If you sit back and listen to these YouTubers that's saying, hey man, you know, every 4 years we moon up, bro, it doesn't work like that. I wish. You have to understand, when the market like Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, when it starts to grow, right? Things change. It's not going to stay the same. Things get harder because you have more bigger players involved. Things get harder. It's not going to be as predictable anymore. And when I mean predictable, I'm talking about the people that, buy and hold, think that every 2 years we just shoot up. No, it's not going to be like that anymore. So in order to take advantage of this, you have to understand how the market works. You have to say, you know what? All right, fine. I'm going to hodl this coin, but in the meantime, while I'm waiting for this bull market to come, all right, I'm going to take advantage of, the swings in the market. Because even when the bull market comes, right, it's not going to just shoot up, because that's what you guys is thinking. It's like you guys really think that it's just going to shoot up. No, okay? They're going to play games with you first before we really start this bull market. And you guys have to learn how to take advantage of these swings, right? Even if it pulls all the way back, all right? You could take advantage of both sides and, not worry too much about, man, when this thing is going to moon up. That's what I'm trying to help you guys realize, okay? I know some of you guys will never get it and will never listen to me, which is okay. But, at least I can wake up maybe one or two. I think, that's good enough. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let's go back to these questions. Type in your questions if you have any questions. If not, we can close this real quick. Shout out to all you guys. But basically, we're going to need Bitcoin to wipe out all these crap coins. We're going to need, more interest when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and, and more trust, because there's a lot of scams in the crypto world. So that's what we're going to need. Of course, we're going to need more money too to be pumped in this market. All right. So let's go back to these questions. If you guys have anything to say, type it in. Fraser said, I bought it. Thanks. I'm excited, man. Shout out to you, bro. Let me give you a round of applause. Shout out to you. Let me give you my email address, just in case you don't have it. And email me, okay? Email me, show me proof that you got the course, so I can send you that private Discord room. All right. Congratulations. I appreciate that support. If you can see 24 hours in the future, what would you check first? You talking to me? If I could see 24 hours in the future, what would I check first? Sheesh, I don't know. I mean, you talking about? Are you talking about in general, like? You talking about the markets or in general? Okay, because if I can see 24 hours in the future, I'm checking the lotto. The lotto. It's just what it is. I mean, if I can get $500 million from the lotto, I'm straight. What's going on, TJ? Anthony Davis is a Laker. I don't know about that. Is that true? Let me check my NBA.com. I don't know if he's a Laker. I didn't really check that out. All right, guys. So, hey, what's going on, Swazzer? Oh, so it says Lakers cut a deal. I don't know. I gotta read. It says trade buzz. Lakers cut talks with Pelicans. So it says cut talks. So it didn't say they land. They didn't say they land him. But guys, if you're having more questions, let me know. Okay. If you're having more questions, let me know. If you don't, we can actually continue this. I don't know if I feel like I do another live stream later on. Okay, but right now, price is not doing anything, guys. Price is not doing anything. Okay. I talked about this before. Okay. Imagine if you decided to put it like this. Imagine if you decided to not do anything, right? You didn't buy the dip. And imagine how much money you will have right now on the side in your bank account right now. Okay? That's number one. Number two, imagine if you decided to take that money, okay, your dip buying money, okay, and you decided to say, you know what, I'm going to short the market, right? You short the market and you're making money. You short the market, you're making money. You short the market, you're making money. Okay? Now imagine the money that you have times 5 or something. Okay? So that's the difference between a professional and a guy that's listening to the news or listening to people that don't know what they're talking about. Okay? Guys, I'm here to tell you that as a professional, I don't think about the bull market. Like, for example, right now, S&P. I day trade the S&P 500, right? In the crude oil, right? I'm not saying to myself, man, when is S&P 500 is going to crash? I need this baby to crash. I'm not saying that, bro. I don't care about if it's going to crash or not. Okay, if it's going up, guess what? I'm buying. If it's going down, guess what? I'm selling. I'm shorting this baby. Okay? Once you understand you have the ability to be that guy, game is over. Okay? The game is over. I see most guys in this it's not even crypto, it's the stock market too. Most guys only know how to do one thing, and that's buy. That's it. I don't care about buying because you know what? When this market decides to crash, which most likely it will soon, probably a year or two, the guys that only know how to buy, these guys are going to suffer, just like people are suffering in the crypto market right now. You have to, if you want to become a professional, you have to understand both sides. If you don't, you're going to suffer. It's just how it works. I don't know why you want to suffer. Doesn't make any sense to me. But if you don't want to suffer, I'm just letting you know how to get out your situation. You're sitting in Tether since 4,000. I'm waiting for a big dump. And let me ask you a question. If we get a big dump, what are you going to do? What's going on, Swagger? Predict your own future by learning how to read the charts. Exactly. That's why I'm trying to help you guys stop depending on back. Stop depending on ETFs. Stop depending on these stupid YouTubers that tell you, hey man, you see this 4-year cycle? So by next year, 2020, we are going to moon up. How do I know? Because I'm just guessing, but it looks good, right? So we're gonna moon up. Stop listening to stupid guys like that. And only depend on yourself. Okay, how do you do that? Well, you learn how to read the charts. The charts will tell you everything. Okay, it's just how it works. All right, so we can end this right now, and if I do another live stream later, I tell you guys. But we can end this right now. If you do have my course, email me. Okay, who bought the course? P Fraser. If you bought the course, right? Email me, so I can send you that Discord room. Shout out to you, bro. Once again, I appreciate that. Anybody else that got the course, email me. And if you have any questions, you can email me. But I'm honestly, I'm trying to help you guys become professionals. Okay. What's going on, G Baker? So Smooth said, I will be buying at 1800. So what is 1800 to you? Okay, share your thoughts. Okay, what is so special about 1800? Why that number? Why not 1700? Why not 2000? Why 1800? Okay, be specific. Okay, because this is very important. Because a lot of people think like you, and I want to help people out. So just tell us why. What's so special about 1800? Yeah, explain to me in detail. That's what I want you to do, Smooth. Explain in details why 1800 is very important. Okay? No. Forget about screening. Forget about sending me a screenshot. Explain to my audience, all right? And the viewers. Explain to the viewers, okay? The reason why I don't need a screenshot, because I can't click on any link right now. Okay. Just explain to us. Okay. Let me see if I see any more questions while I'm waiting for a Smooth to explain to us why 1800 is that magic number. Let's see if I missed any questions. If you're new to the channel and you have any questions, type it in. If you're new, period, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. In general. Okay. But let's continue to see what's going on in the chat room. And we're going to wait for Smooth. If he basically takes too long, then I'm going to have to finish that conversation another day. But let's see. What's going on, Dom? Shout out to you. Yeah, Smooth. So I'm guessing that you're not gonna answer. I don't know, but we most likely we're gonna have to probably finish that conversation another day. You said you heard Smooth got heavy buys at 1800 level. So many buys it would break it. Okay, so Smooth said, okay, I believe we are in a hyper wave. Okay, we reach all-time highs, 20,000. Okay, through 4 phases. Every line was vertical. Okay, then the last one, you connect them together. So the last one, we connect one together. So I honestly, I really don't understand what you're trying to say. So you're trying to say every line was more vertical than the last one. Okay, so you're talking about this up move right here when we went up, when we went straight up. Okay, so you're basically saying every move up was bigger than the last one. That's what you're trying to say. What does that have to do with 1800? But I'm saying, what does that have to do with 1800? Why 1800? That's what I'm trying to ask you. Okay. So shout out to everybody that's here, though. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by. You know, I appreciate all my subscribers. Bitcoin itself, it's honestly, I think any day now we can decide to either drop, you know, or make a big move. So we just have to be patient and wait. Okay, so he said you can connect those pumps with the lines, and you will notice every line was more vertical. Okay, now we reach 3100, and if you look downwards, there will be a possible support. Okay, he said there only one possible support. Okay, all right. So let me explain something to you. Okay, Smooth. All right, shout out to you. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. All right. Let me explain something to you. When it comes to a bear market and a bull market, all right? There's no such thing as support. Okay. So what that means is you will have temporary support in a bear market, or temporary support or temporary resistance in the bull market, but it doesn't mean anything. Okay. The bear market could blow past any support that you see in the past. So if you see support right here, it could blow past it. If you see support right here, it could blow past it. It's how the market works. Okay. So you can't look at a chart and say, hey, this support looks strong. Most likely we're going to bounce from that. It doesn't work like that. Okay. Support doesn't matter when it comes to a bear market. You have to see how price reacts to that support level when it reaches to that support level. Okay. Example, we had support right here at that 6,000 level. Okay. We went up pretty, we had a decent move up to the upside. But guess what? It wasn't enough to carry us to the all-time highs. Okay. We dried up and we started to sell back down, and guess what? We went right back to 3,000. So just because you see support at 1,800 doesn't mean anything. Okay, you have to look, or you have to wait until price gets to that level and see how it reacts. Okay, the market. Let me explain to you guys, that's especially if you get guys that's new. Before I go, let me explain to you new guys. The market is not designed for you to predict the future or anything like that. It's designed for you to take things step by step, day by day. All right. The crypto market, honestly, I don't know who started this, but the crypto market is all about these psychics, that think they can tell the future. I don't know who even started that. Okay. By the end of this year, we're going to see 50K. But, the market is never going to go below 6,000. I mean, these guys come up with the craziest predictions, right? And it doesn't work like that. Okay, you have to wait for price to go to those levels, and then you can make your decision. Okay, I don't talk in absolutes. Okay, when I say the market looks weak, I'm not talking just to be talking. We get to 1,000, I'm going to start buying up like crazy. I'm not going to say that, because I don't know if 1,000 is the bottom. I don't know if 1,800 is the bottom. Why waste money? This is exactly what I try to. If you looked at my my video, is titled "This is what Bitcoin bottom looks like." All right, go look at that video. Okay, that video explains it all. It explains why most of you guys are stuck and you're down so much that you're depressed because you thought 10,000 was the bottom. You thought 8,000 was the bottom. You thought 6,000 was a great support level because you're listening to the news or some crazy YouTuber that doesn't do this full time. All right, so let's go back to these questions, and then we can end this out. And we are in a similar position. We had 6,000 according to hyperwave rules. Hyperwave returns to phase 1 at 12,000. All right, I'm going over these questions real quick, guys. No copyright said, "Hey bro, remember me? It's me who said to you take into account the volume." Okay, so shout out to you. Yes, I do remember you. Okay, you said, what was your original question? You said that why I don't watch volume, or let me know your original question. I know it was about volume, but let me know. Type your original question. Swazzer said crypto is more bipolar than my girlfriend. Yeah, guys, it's crazy. Swazzer's crazy, man. Swazzer, man, you're making me laugh, bro. Oh, man. Smooth said, I believe that we are forming a descending triangle. Yes, you know, I'm not saying that you're wrong on that one. You know, this definitely looks like a triangle. That's why I have a triangle right now on this chart right here, okay? If you look at this chart, I have a triangle right here. So I'm not saying that you're wrong with this. I'm just saying, I'm just asking you why 1,800 is your magic number. What I'm trying to help you, okay, I'm trying to help you save money, okay? I'm trying to help you not be one of those guys on YouTube that thinks the bottom is here or coming soon. No one knows the bottom. Okay, that's number one. No one knows the bottom. So stop thinking about imaginary number. Go look at my video titled "This is what Bitcoin bottom looks like," and you will see. You have to wait for confirmation, bro. It's just what it is. Just like Peter May said. Shout out to Peter May. Let me give him a round of applause. You have to wait for confirmation. Okay? My question, you don't take account volume in your charts. Is that normal? Many people take it in account. Okay, so that's a great question. That's a great question. All right. He said that I don't look at volume. Honestly, volume. I know some people will disagree with me. It doesn't matter. It only matters when I'm looking at a possible, a bottom or something like that. Like, because right now the volume is so low, okay? And let's say the volume changed. So for example, right? Let's look at the volume at the top. Okay, so let's go and put that volume in. Okay, let's go. Let's where's that indicator thing at? Let's put some volume in right here. Okay, and you will see that top, bro, like close to the top. You see that volume spiking. Okay, and then you see a lot of volume right here when we went up. That's the only time I'm looking at volume, and I can say, you know what? There's a lot of volume at these lows right now. Is the big dogs buying this market? That's the only time I'm looking at the volume. Okay, that's the only time. Other than that, I don't have to look at the volume because the volume doesn't matter at all. Because price, okay, will tell you everything. And what I really mean by that is, if you see the volume right here, right? You see this volume right here. It was a lot right here, okay? So let me blow this up so you can. So we see right here the volume is low, and then you see volume increase, and then volume increase a lot right here. Okay, that's not gonna help me when I'm trading. Okay, why? Because you could just trade this breakout right here and you don't have to look at volume. It doesn't help you at all when I'm trading. When I'm pressing a buy button or a sell button, it doesn't help me, because while I'm in the mood, while I'm in the move, okay, that's when the volume comes in. So basically what I'm trying to say is, it's always going to be after the fact, okay? And I'm going to be late if I see a lot of volume. Just like this, you see the peak of the volume is right here. So I want to get in right here. Why do I have to wait right here? Okay. I only look at it when we have a possible top or bottom. Like, for example, right here, if you look at the market going up, and then you see the volume increase right here at the top. Well, you can say, well, if volume increased at the top like this and we selling off like this, this could be, this could be a top right here. This a possibility that this could be a top. That's the only time I'm looking at the volume. Same thing with this. If I see volume, if I see the people buying the market, and the volume just spikes up out of nowhere, and the bars, the volume bar gets big, I'm saying, this might be a bottom right here. Other than that, it's not going to help me, because whenever you see, put it like this, whenever you see a big bar like this, especially if we're going down, that's when you're going to see a lot of volume. Okay, so if I wait for that volume, that means I'm late. I'm late to the trade. That means that the move already happened. I want to catch that move before it happened. So that's why I don't look at volume. It doesn't help me when I trade. All right, so let's go back to these questions. I only see two possibilities. Either 1300 or yes. See, that's the problem with you smooth. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, that is the problem, and that's why most people. And I'm not talking about you smooth, but I'm just talking about in general. Okay, that's why most people cannot do this full time. That's why most people cannot do this full time. You know why? It's the same reason why trolls came on my live stream last year and say, hey man, there's no way Bitcoin could go below 6,000. You know what that, you know what's that's called? It's called belief. Okay? It is what you believe. And what's going on in the crypto world, honestly, it's not even the crypto world, it's just in general. Most people think beliefs are reality or beliefs are fact. Bro, it doesn't, your beliefs is not reality, okay? So when you tell me that I only see two possibilities, supports either 1,300 or 1,800, that's just a belief. You have to understand that, okay? Most YouTubers can't tell you this because they don't do this full time. So when I explain to a lot of my viewers, okay, my thoughts and my views and how I look at the markets, most people can't understand what I'm trying to say because it doesn't sound right. It doesn't sound like, the right thing to say. And I'm here to tell you that success isn't the right thing. Okay, it's not what you're thinking about. It's actually the opposite. Okay, success is usually counterintuitive. It's usually the opposite of whatever you're trying to do or whatever you're thinking right now. Okay, so most guys think that success looks like this on the left, but it's actually it looks like something on the right. Okay, so forget about your numbers in your head. Forget about that. Forget about whatever you feel inside, bro. It doesn't count. Like, for example, I day trade the S&P 500, okay? If I go in every single day, right, and I say to myself, man, I feel like the market is going to, like, for example, right, we've been going up almost every single day, bro, okay? This doesn't give me a clear chart. Let me see if I get a better chart than this. Let me see if I get a better chart than this S&P. All right, so if I come in, right, and day trade, and I say to myself, man, I'm tired of this market going up, man. I think resistance is going to be at 2690. So I'm going to short when it gets there. Bro, I'm going to lose every single time, okay? Because I'm trading based on my feelings. It's not based on what's going on on a chart, okay? So I have to trade whatever the market is telling me to do, okay? Whatever the market is telling me, that's how I have to react, okay? Most of you guys are buying just because you feel that Bitcoin will never go below 10,000. Just because Bitcoin will never go below 8,000. Just because Bitcoin will never go below 6,000. That's how you guys are operating, right? It's based on your beliefs. I'm here to tell you, bro, you're doing it the wrong way. This is why I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm a professional that does this for a living, okay? I do this full time. This is why I train new traders how to become professionals. And, I'm here to let you guys know, bro, like, the bear market is no joke. Okay, I started in a bear market. A bear market will mess with your brain, okay? We don't know the bottom. I don't know the bottom, okay? I don't care about the bottom. I care about making money. I think some of you guys should learn about, that too. Or want to care about making money too. Let me continue to go. Let me continue to look at these questions. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're just, tired of, seeing your portfolio go down and down and down, hit that subscribe button right now. So, Ben, is it true that every bear chart is traded in the bear breakout type bear channels, broad channels, or trading channels? I don't know. Is that true? Is that true or not? But I think it's not just bear markets. I think it's all been bull markets too. JDM said, "I hope you guys appreciate these answers, just like me. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot. I appreciate that. Definitely appreciate that. Yeah, that's why I made that video, guys. Go check it out. Anybody on this live stream didn't see that video by now, check it out. Okay, the title is "This is what Bitcoin bottoms look like." Okay, some of you guys trying to be, you know, a genius and trying to time the bottom. Stop it, guys. Stop it. You have to wait for confirmation. Can you use Binance chart to compare? I don't compare Coinbase chart. I mean, what's the difference? What's the difference between you know, the Binance and the Coinbase? I don't think there's a difference. Peter May said, "I got 2 hours of my day back since I got your course. I stopped watching these crazy dumb YouTubers." Shout out to you, bro. Iris said, "People guessing. I see what I see." That's it. That's what, yeah, guys. I'm just trying to help you out, man. I'm just trying to help you out. Stop trying to guess the bottom, bro. Stop it. It's just it's bad for business, and it's a way to, you know, take your money. Shout out to Golden Arm. He gave me that 589 super chat. The Moon Boys be sipping on that syrup. Shit, that's funny. After we see the bottom, we will know the bottom exactly. So Smooth said, "I'm not guessing anything. Here's my TA, whatever you call it. Anyone wants to see, I'm saying these two numbers will, Smooth, okay? First of all, I don't need to see your link, okay? Second of all, okay, you are guessing. If you're saying that 18 is the bottom, you're guessing, bro. You just what it is. No one knows the bottom. That's why I laugh. Okay, that's why I laugh at these YouTubers that show you charts. Let me see if I have. I don't know if I have it, but charts that basically. Let me see. I don't have it today, but charts that looks like, you know, it's going to moon up in 2020 and we're gonna hit 50K. Like, we don't know that. No one knows the bottom, bro. You know, why are we trying to time the bottom? Peter said, "Who else is sharing the crap out of Moon Tricks?" Shout out to you, Peter. Yes, share that video, man. Share that Moon Tricks video. It has a nice little intro, okay? A nice little intro, and it has a nice video at the end explaining how the Bitcoin bottom looks like. Okay, some of you guys are trying to, you know, time the bottom, and it doesn't work like that, guys. Golden Arm, you was on vacation? Vingo says, so BT's price is going down. Well, BTC price been going down. Shout out to you, Vingo. Yeah, just wait for that confirmation, bro. I think the most BTC move Binance weekly volume, so be prepared. So it's a bit. I don't search the bottom. You said I think BTC moves on Binance, most on Binance. It doesn't matter, bro. I mean, the chart is a chart. Honestly, it looks the same. You know. Let me see if there's any difference. I don't even see Binance right here on the USD. Unless I have to. But I'm quite sure it looks I mean, it looks the same. I mean, this is not it right here, but honestly, it doesn't matter. Can you have millions of orders in a buy book and all of a sudden switch to sells? Are you asking me, JDM? Do you even pay attention to the order book? No. Or it means nothing like value. No. Actually, you can actually make money if you know how to read the order book, but me personally, I don't use it. Okay. So I'm not saying that volume doesn't mean anything either. Okay. Some people use it. I'm just saying that on my side, I've been doing this so long to the point where I don't see how it, makes a difference. Now the order book, yes, a lot of people actually, some traders, they use that order book and they can actually, trade off that. But it all depends on what type of broker you have and if you're getting the right orders. Okay. Now in crypto, it might not matter. You might not have an edge. Okay. You might not have an edge in crypto, but in the stock market, yes. If you're dealing with, a certain broker that gives you, a decent platform, you could definitely use that. But me personally, I just use just the candles, and that's all you need. All right, because once you start to study these charts, you will see patterns. Okay, because all this is just patterns. All right. If you're looking at the order books, you're looking for a certain pattern. If you're looking on the chart, you're looking for a certain pattern, and that's it. All right. Signing out to go to work. You're the best in this YouTuber space, man. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to Crypto OZ, man. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot, man. I'm just trying to help people out, give my 11 years of experience. I started out in the bear market. I know, trust me, I know some of you guys are fiending to buy the bottom because I was one of those guys. I was fiending to buy the bottom, all right? Because it looks like it's at good prices, right? It looks like, whoa, man, you know, we're going to continue to go up. Okay, so if you have a certain stock that you follow or certain coin and it keeps going down and you just keep on buying it and you keep on losing, trust me, I understand that feeling. I know exactly what you're going through. So what I'm trying to do is help you not be that guy. Just wait for confirmation, bro. Like you will definitely be in a better place right now if you just wait for confirmation. Okay, 1800, no guarantees. 1300, no guarantees. Right? It's just a number that you just thought about. Okay, or even if you do see support on the chart, it doesn't matter, bro. Because the reason why it doesn't matter if you see support is because guess what? The momentum is to what? To the downside. It's like a train. Okay, if a train comes, right, you know, bro, you can't stop it. And you're basically looking at support in the past, but you're forgetting about the train that's moving. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Just how we had temporary support at 6,000, the train just kept going, bro. Boom. All right, we had a few stops here and there, right? Few stops here and there, but the train kept going. Same right here. It looks like the train's going to keep going. So you can't look at certain numbers in the past and think that it's going to hold just because you feel like it's going to hold. Okay, it goes right back to beliefs versus reality, bro. You can't make your beliefs, okay, control your actions. You can't think that beliefs are reality. Like, I mean, you know, beliefs is reality. You can't think that, guys. Beliefs is just beliefs. It's just whatever you believe in right now, you know. And just how it works. So if you guys have any more questions, you can email me. I'm about to switch off and just chill out. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are learning. JD, and why does your order books play tricks? Because that's how these big dogs make money. Okay, you have to understand when you're looking at the market. Okay, that's why a lot of people are not understanding why when we get good news we still drop. They're not understanding that. Okay, the reason why they don't understand because they don't understand the game. Right? This is all a game, bro. Fundamentals don't matter, bro. Especially in the bear market. Okay? If you look at the S&P 500, guys, there's no reason why we should be going up like this. Okay? We are in a recession. We have a lot of retailers closing shop right now. I'm quite sure that you know, a lot of people are working 2-3 jobs, right? The economy is not that good. But why are we keep on climbing? Because all this is a game. Nothing matters, okay? So when you see your favorite coin gets, you know, getting good news, and you're saying, "Oh my gosh, why are we going down?" Because, bro, this is how these guys play tricks, okay? The big dogs, all right? Let me explain something to you. This market is about the big dogs versus the little guys, all right? We are the little guys. You don't have billions of dollars, okay? You can't compete with these guys, right? So, with the order books, right? With the order books, they're gonna play tricks with you because it's the big dogs playing tricks with you, okay? They have the opportunity to do that, all right? And they want you to fall for their little tricks because that's how they make money. Okay, just like when they put out these fake news stories. Okay, that's why I forgot the other guy name. I told him don't listen to these news stories because they put out fake news stories just to get you amped so you can buy more just for these guys to sell. Okay, you saw it, guys. You saw it last year all the time. Okay, we had good news, but guess what? The market what? It was dropping. Okay, so the best thing to do is just focus on the real thing, and that's the chart. Okay, the chart will never lie to you. If we're going down, guess what? The chart will go down too. If we're going up, guess what? The chart will go up. Simple, guys. Stop complicating things. Stop saying, oh, I want to be a genius and time the bottom. Stop it. Because you're going to be that guy that's just keep on buying the bottom and you don't know the bottom. Okay? Stop saying, oh, there's no way, Bitcoin can go that low. Stop saying that. You don't know that. You don't control the market. All right, so let's continue to what broker do I use for what? For the futures? Are you talking about the futures? All right, guys. So I'm about to get out of here, man. If I do another live stream tonight, I'll see you guys tonight. But if not, I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow or another day. Demo account for practice on crypto trading. Yes. Phil, yes, it is. So basically, Phil, you can open up forex brokers that allow crypto trading. If you don't know any, you can email me and I'll give you a couple of links and you can practice. So Smooth said, okay, what if BTC V bottoms shoots back up? How is waiting for confirmation going to work then? Okay. Smooth operator, man, bro. Honestly, I'm trying to get out of here. I'm trying to end this show and you coming with questions, and the reason why I want to answer your questions is because they are like legit questions that I think a lot of people have inside their brains. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, if V bottoms and shoot back up, okay, see you thinking that I'm waiting for Bitcoin to do something special for to wait for confirmation. Okay, bro, I'm not looking for. I don't care how it bottoms. It could do a V bottom. It could do a triple bottom. We can do a double bottom, inverse head and shoulders. I don't care, bro. That's still confirmation. I think you're confusing this, bro. Just go look at my video that says this is what Bitcoin bottom looks like, right? A V bottom is still confirmation, bro. All right. I don't know who you watch. I don't know what crypto YouTuber you watch, bro. But whoever's doing that, he's doing a good job, bro. He's really doing a good job. With convincing you to think that buying the dips is a good thing. He's doing a great job, bro, because for some reason you just can't get it out of your head that you have to wait for confirmation. Keith said, crypto will never reach 20K. They are not going to let anything compete with the dollar. Unfortunately, wars have been fought for the dollar. Whereas, yes, I hear you, man. Shout out to you, Keith. When you understand we live in a control system, then you will understand what's up. Facts. Traditional markets, BH. I use I have 3 brokers, so I actually have more than 3 brokers. For the stock market, I have like 2 brokers. E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, and I have for the futures I have 3 brokers, Interactive Brokers, AMP Futures, and Infinity. Yeah, Smooth. Like I said, Smooth. I can tell that you're new to the. I can tell that first of all, I can tell that you're new to the crypto space. I can tell that you're new to investing. I can tell that you are not a professional yet, which is okay. I'm not like trying to down you or anything like that. I'm just trying to help you out. I'm trying to let you know that whatever you're trying to say right now, it doesn't make any sense, okay? And I just urge you to just learn how to read the charts, bro, okay? Because whatever YouTuber that you're watching right now, he's doing a good job, okay? He's doing a real good job to make you believe that somehow either 1800 is the bottom or 1300 is the bottom, and it's a sure thing, okay? And what I'm trying to help you is, bro, wait for confirmation. Go look at my video, okay? That's the last thing I can say right now. We could finish this conversation another day. Go look at that video. This is what Bitcoin bottoms look like. A bottom looks like, okay? And that's it. Anyone else didn't see that video? Go look at that video. And that's it, bro. Okay? You really have to understand. How high do I think BTT will? I don't know, bro. I don't know how high BTT will go. Really don't know. Any chance is Crypto Aurora sees a real? Ben, you watch Crypto Kirby on YouTube? Sometimes I watch his videos. I'm following Crypto AMD, and Crypto AMD says that 1800 is the bottom. Okay, bro, let me explain to you. No one knows the bottom. Okay. And another thing, I would say to you is forget about what other guys are saying. Start to learn how to read the chart yourself, okay? It's not that hard, okay? Forget about anything else. It's not that hard. Start reading the charts and you will understand that saying things like I'm going all in or I'm start to accumulate at 1800 is not a good thing to do. David said, you can't wake up everybody. Yeah, you're right. That's true. All right. So I guess I got to get out of here. The same thing happened to me, Dan. I refreshed my computer. Everybody wants to try to look for the easy way. Yeah, that's what it is. Everybody trying to look for the easy way out. The stream is lagging. Had to reset. All right, no problem. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. The stream is acting up. But see you guys either today or tomorrow, and talk to you guys later. Continue to study, continue to improve, continue to study the charts and practice. Have a great day, and see you guys later.